I'm going mudding. So I called a few buddies. I said, Mark, you bring out the jack, and Jerry, you bring out the Jim. Then I called my buddy Dale, said, bring out the big Jeep, let's let the fun begin. Then I gotta go home, and my wife says, what? You can kick your shoes off at the door, you ain't messing up this house anymore. You might think it's funny walking around like a pig, but this house is getting dirty and it's much too big. Here's a nickel, get a new attitude. I'm going mudding. I'm going mudding. You can keep your cars on the road. I'm going mudding.